What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Milady meme coin, which hasn't moved much in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, it is only a percentage up, but we're going to be looking at its prediction over the coming days, weeks and so on, as the crypto market has slowly started to recover, with Bitcoin heading over $48,000. Can Milady meme coin get ready for a little bit of a pump over the coming weeks and days as well? And looking at, is now the right time to buy it before the pump? Is it the right time to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the long term and the short term, looking at, is this a crypto worth investing into in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Milady meme coin, which is here in purple. But the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from this crypto over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, I am expecting the crypto to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Again, it's not going to be a major crash or a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be a very minimal dip. Again, do expect green candles in between as well. It is likely to be quite volatile, just like how it's been over the last 24 hours. But the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So an overall dip is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line still looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So an overall drop in value is what is expected over the coming week or so. However, from the analysis and predictions that I have done, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to go for an overall increase in value over the next 7 to 8 days guys. So essentially by the end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, especially with the crypto pump, should I say, that's happened over the last couple of days, with mainly Bitcoin pumping up from about $41,000 up to $48,000 in a space of about a week. I'm expecting an increase in value from Milady meme coin, and majority of the cryptocurrencies to be going through an overall increase in value over the coming week as well. But again, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is likely to be a minimal increase in value. So do expect early next week, which is literally in about 24 to 48 hours, to go for a little bit of a dip before it slowly starts to gain value by mid to end of next week for Milady meme coin, meaning trading at about 7 to 8% higher than where it is at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking much more positive. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Again, they're not looking too steep, which means it is realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, early to mid-April 2024, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, and it is likely to be quite of an increase, potentially about 30 to 40% increase from where it is at the moment. However, we do have the Bitcoin halving happening in April, which could have a potential impact on majority of the cryptocurrencies, which of course involves Milady meme coin. So this can get affected quite majorly. But I do keep you guys updated on a daily basis on this channel. So if there are any major news updates that come across from the Bitcoin halving or anything else that can have a potential impact on the crypto market, either in a bullish or bearish direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and yes, in December last year it did go for a major increase in value, which did hit the resistance level, as you guys can see, and ever since then it's taken a little bit of a dip, and I'm not expecting it to hit the resistance level anytime soon. It is likely to hover around the red zone for now. Potentially in the second half of the year is when I'm expecting it to potentially head up to the resistance target and potentially hit the actual level here towards the very end of the year, is what my expectations are from Milady meme coin at the moment. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume hasn't moved much, 7% down in the last 24 hours, making it just under $2.6 million. So not many people are trading the crypto right now, especially that value wise it hasn't moved much, even though yes, it has been volatile. Overall it has maintained its value of this, which is right here. It's got too many zeros to say. But yeah, again, if you guys want to keep up to date on a regular basis apart from YouTube, what you guys can do is join my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is usually $29.99 a month. However, I had to plug you guys with the discount code DEC10 for 50% off to make it $14.99 a month. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only. So make sure you guys are quick if you guys want to join. So what do you get for this? You get put into 2 group chats once you sign up. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind that I'm a long-term trader. And the second chat is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect and what to predict, mainly on Bitcoin because that's what drives the market in a bullish and bearish direction. But you guys can also ask me different questions on other cryptos, analysis and predictions, which I will also provide. Again, don't worry about the figures here. This is an old screenshot from about nearly 2 years ago. But yeah, you get the gist, guys. If you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. So let me know in the comment section down below what your predictions and expectations are for Milady meme coin in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.